Won't you come with me? Won't you come with me and we'll take it high?
Welcome to our latest project in Caulfield. Let me show you what the guys are up to.
Too many times I touched the ceiling and peaks are unappealing. We'll take it high. We'll take it high. 'Cause too many times I touched the ceiling and peaks are.
Precision is everything on these partial demos, which is why Demolition was selected over 2 other contractors who turned down the job due to its complexity. Our team has started by removing the roof manually to prevent damage to the neighbouring properties. Check in next week where we'll be showing you why we are the industry leaders in these partial demolitions.